Right. Today's match start. The morning match. Rautpur versus Gumma. Morning match, first match. Service goes to Rautpur. Player Suresh. Match is running. Gumma versus Rautpur. Village name Rautpur, Rautpur ground. Players are playing well. This is morning game. The Rautpur captain Sanjay Sabar. Gumma captain Chitto. Chitto versus Sanjay Sabar. Who is win? Match is running. Rautpur versus Gumma. What a match. This is first match. Match is running. One zero. Rautpur 1 point. Gumma 0. Service goes to Rautpur. What a match. This is morning match. Gumma versus Rautpur. Yes. Players are playing well. Yes. This is early morning play. Right, 2-0. Rautpur 2 points, Gumma 0 points. This is Rautpur versus Gumma. Right, 3-0. 3-0. Rautpur 3 points, Gumma 0. Sanjay versus Chitto. Match is running. Yes. What a weather. What a match. What a players. Game is running. Rautpur points 3 and Gumma points 0. Yes. Village name Rautpur. Yes. This is first match. Rautpur versus Gumma. Rautpur 3 points and Gumma 0 points. Players are effective players, impact players, senior players and junior players. Playing well. This is Daba volleyball. What a shot. Yes. Gumma versus Rautpur match is continued. Match is running. 3-0. Rautpur points 3 and Gumma 0 points. What a technique. 4-0. Rautpur service. 4-0. Rautpur points 4. Gumma points 0. Match running. Rautpur players are playing well. Players are effective players, impact players, powerful players. I think match is very good. Right, 5-0.
5-0.
Service goes to Rautpur. Rautpur points 5. Gumma points 0. Match is running. Yes. This is new match. First match, Rautpur versus Guma. Rautpur captain Sanjay Sabar and Guma captain Chitto. Match running, Rautpur points 5 and Guma points 0. Yes. Right, what a match. 6-0. Rautpur point 6, Guma point 0. Match continued. Match is running. Rautpur players are very effective players. Yes, 6-0. Service goes to Guma. Yes. 0-6. Guma point 0. Rautpur point 6. 0-6. Service goes to Guma. Match running. Who is win? Who is lost? Waiting and see. Out. 6-0. Rautpur service 6-0. Rautpur point 6 and Guma point 0. Service goes to Rautpur. This is a super game, early morning game. The first game, first match, Rautpur versus Guma. Yes, players are playing well. Yes, 6-0. Rautpur point 6 and Guma point 0. Yes. Rautpur village, Rautpur ground. Match Rautpur versus Guma. Rautpur captain Sanjay Sabar and Guma captain Chitto. Sanjay versus Chitto. The first match. What a playing players. Two team players are well playing. Yes. What a playing. 7-0 Rautpur. Service to go. 7-0. Rautpur 7 points. Guma 0 points. Match is running. What a game, what a match. This is Guma versus Rautpur. Weather is good. Ground is good. Match is very good. What a playing. Rautpur players are playing very well. Banu and Mohan, Sanjay, Suresh, Vinod. Very good players. Rautpur players. Yes. Yes, game is running. Good game. What a game. What a shot. 7-0. Rautpur point 7. Guma point 0. 1-8. Guma 1 and Rautpur 8 points. Match is running. Yes. What a shot. Right. 1-8. Guma 1 point. And Rautpur 8 points. Service goes to Rautpur. What a match. What a shots. 8-1. Rautpur points 8 and Guma 1. Yes. This is Daba volleyball. Today's match Rautpur versus Guma. Rautpur captain Sanjay Savar and Guma's captain Chutto. Match is running.